Air Fryer Snack Attack, Global Flavors in Minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today, we will be sharing quick and easy global air fryer snack recipes that everyone can enjoy. Tired of the same old snacks? Craving something quick, delicious, and maybe even a little bit adventurous? Get ready to unleash your inner foodie with these unbelievably easy and multicultural air fryer snack recipes. We're talking flavor explosions in minutes, perfect for busy people and snack lovers alike. Air fryers are the ultimate kitchen gadget for creating crispy, delicious snacks without all the oil and fuss. They're fast, efficient, and perfect for achieving that satisfying crunch we all crave. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned air fryer pro or just getting started, these recipes are designed to be simple, fun, and incredibly tasty. Get ready to impress your friends, family, or just yourself with these global-inspired snack sensations. Let's start with a timeless favorite, French fries. But these aren't your average fries. We're talking perfectly crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and ready in a fraction of the time compared to traditional frying. Experiment with different seasonings like garlic powder, smoked paprika, or even a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for an extra burst of flavor. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce and prepare to be amazed. Chicken wings are a crowd pleaser, and the air fryer makes them even better. Achieve that crispy, juicy perfection without the mess of deep frying. The real fun begins with the spice rubs. Think beyond the typical buffalo sauce. Try a Moroccan-inspired blend of cumin, coriander, and turmeric, or a Korean-style gochujang glaze for a sweet and spicy kick. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a healthier snack option? Air fryer zucchini fries are the answer. Coated in a cheesy, herby panko breading, these fries are crispy, flavorful, and surprisingly addictive. The panko breading adds a satisfying crunch, while the cheese and herbs elevate the flavor profile. Serve with a side of marinara sauce, or a creamy dipping sauce for the ultimate veggie snack experience. Take your taste buds on a trip to Asia with these easy air fryer egg rolls. Made with ground chicken, egg roll wrappers, frozen spinach, coleslaw mix, and Chinese-style barbecue sauce, these egg rolls are packed with flavor and nutrients. The air fryer ensures a crispy, golden brown exterior without the excess oil. Serve with sweet chili sauce or soy sauce for an authentic Asian snack experience. Spice up your snack game with these flavorful air fryer taquitos. Fill the tortillas with seasoned ground beef and air fry until crispy and golden brown. Serve with your favorite salsa, guacamole, and sour cream for a complete Tex-Mex experience. These taquitos are perfect for parties, game nights, or a quick and satisfying snack. Craving something sweet? Air fryer sweet potato fries are the perfect solution. For an extra sweet treat, dust them with cinnamon and brown sugar before air frying. The cinnamon and brown sugar caramelize in the air fryer, creating a delicious and irresistible snack. Serve with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a decadent dessert. Transform canned chickpeas into a crunchy and flavorful snack with this chili lime recipe. Toss the chickpeas with lime juice, chili powder, and other spices, then air fry until crispy. These chili lime air-fried chickpeas are perfect as a crunchy topping for salads, creamy soups, or grain bowls. They're also a great source of protein and fiber, making them a healthy and satisfying snack. Jalapeno poppers are a classic party food, and the air fryer makes them even easier to prepare. Fill jalapeno halves with cream cheese and cheddar cheese, then wrap them in bacon and air fry until crispy and golden brown. These air fryer jalapeno poppers are the perfect combination of spicy, cheesy, and crispy. Serve them hot and watch them disappear. Need a quick and easy snack? Air fryer tortilla chips are the answer. Simply cut tortillas into triangles, brush with olive oil, and air fry until crispy. Serve with your favorite salsa, guacamole, or queso for a simple and satisfying snack. These air fryer tortilla chips are perfect for movie nights, parties, or a quick afternoon snack. Onion rings are a classic snack, and the air fryer makes them healthier and easier to prepare. Coat onion slices in breadcrumbs and spices, then air fry until crispy and golden brown. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce for a classic snack experience. These air fryer onion rings are perfect for satisfying your cravings without the guilt. Take your jalapeno poppers to the next level with bacon. Wrap jalapeno halves filled with cream cheese and cheddar cheese in bacon, then air fry until crispy and golden brown. The bacon adds a smoky and savory flavor that complements the spicy jalapenos and creamy cheese. These air fryer bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers are the ultimate party appetizer. A taquito is essentially a rolled taco with many of the toppings like guacamole and sour cream on the outside. Fill tortillas with spicy shredded chicken and roll them up tightly. Air fry until crispy and golden brown. Serve with guacamole, sour cream, and salsa for a complete and satisfying meal. These air fryer spicy chicken taquitos are perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. These meatballs are a breeze to throw together, and the spicy mayo takes them over the top. Combine ground chicken with cumin, spices, and breadcrumbs, then form into meatballs and air fry until cooked through. Serve with a spicy mayo dipping sauce for a flavorful and satisfying snack. These air fryer cumin spiced chicken meatballs are perfect for parties, appetizers, or a quick and easy meal. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, these snackable chickpeas are delicious as a crunchy topper for salads, creamy soups, or grain bowls. Toss chickpeas with chili powder, spices, and olive oil, then air fry until crispy. These air fryer crunchy chili spiced chickpeas are a healthy and flavorful snack that you can enjoy anytime. They're also a great source of protein and fiber. So what are you waiting for? Grab your air fryer, gather your ingredients, and get ready to embark on a delicious snacking adventure. These recipes are just the beginning. Feel free to experiment with different flavors, spices, and ingredients to create your own unique air fryer masterpieces. Ready to become an air fryer snack master? Here's your call to action. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing air fryer recipes and cooking tips. Share this video with your fellow snack-loving friends and family. Leave a comment below and tell us which recipe you're most excited to try, or share your own favorite air fryer snack creations. Let's get cooking!